it's needed, but I look so cute. Do you know that? Whoosh, guys. I think I shouldn't turn. Okay, so hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. This is Shak my love, and if you're new here, kindly join the family by subscribing, hit the notification bell so that every time we post a video, baby girl, you get a notification. Now today I'm going to be telling you how I made the most selling outfit or pieces in my previous collection. The last collection I launched, I think 2 months ago, actually 3 months ago. And guess what, I did not expect this, but I've sold out 33 pairs of clothes, of attires, of these 2 pieces since I launched that collection, guys. Now this is the thing. I was previously, when I started my, it's now a month, so it's now a year and a half since I started doing fashion, like serious fashion. And I think my breakthrough has been in the last 6 months. Now, did I give up? At a certain point I felt like giving up, but I did not, because I have someone, oh, like besides me. I had 2 people besides me that used to push me. I had that dream in me that used to push me a lot, and I was like, I can do it. Sometimes it gets so hectic and discouraging, you feel like giving up, but guys, never give up. Never give up on a dream that you've dreamed to have or to do for longest time. I almost gave up on my dream, and look at me now. I'm here celebrating. Like 3 months ago, I launched my new collection. I decided to rebrand. I think you've seen those videos on my channel where I was rebranding to, like, from making everything to having a standard attire, standard designs that can speak for my brand. I wanted, when someone thinks about something, of course they think about Shaki my love, they think about premium glam. And guess what, now I made this outfit. First of all, I was making sweater pants, but I wanted to include official, casual, and like classic 2 pieces in the clothes, like in the clothes that I was doing, or in the brand that I switched to. And at the last moment, I decided to do this short and 2 pieces. Now this is a short, and it has a shirt which you're going to see. And guess what, when I was making it, I bought this material, and at first I wanted to make a dress for myself. I really put on dresses, but I bought it specifically for a dress. And then in the long run, I made an outfit for someone, and then they took it. It looked so nice, and then I was like, why can't I include a 2-piece, a short and a shirt in this collection? And guess what happened? So I went ahead and I did this. I shifted from a dress that I wanted to make, and I did a 2-piece. Now, when I was making it, I ran out of material. And I had not made the waistband, and I had not made the sleeves. And then I had material that had remained on my previous project. So I was like, but wait, can't I make something, and I make it different? And then something just popped into my head, and I was like, no, let me just use this material to complete this outfit and see how it turns out. Now listen, I got the material, I made a waistband, and it was different from the whole attire. I cut the sleeve, and it was black. So the waistband and the sleeve, one sleeve that were black, made the outfit look like I had planned for this, really. So I was shooting for a brand, and I included this attire. I posted it on my status, WhatsApp status first, and guess what? I got so many compliments, like so many compliments. Then I was like, let me just post it on TikTok. Let me just post it on my stories on Instagram, and every time I posted it, everyone was in love. People were in love with this attire. People were commenting. People were making orders, and I was like, in the first week, I got like 5 orders. They needed the same exact style, some in different colors, and then some in the same color. But guess what? After the second week, I'd officially got orders. I think they were 11 orders in the first 2 weeks of posting and making this attire. I got so excited. I got so happy. I was so excited because I did not expect this, guys. I never expected this. And then I came here after that. I made a video of this collection. I was trying them on, and guess what? From my YouTube family, I was there, and people are like, I'm from YouTube. I would like such and such an attire. And I was like, what? So guys, I was really happy, and yeah, I got, I think, 4 people from YouTube that ordered. So guys, if you want this attire or other attires, you can go on my Instagram and Shaki My Love or Premium Glam, one of the two. Shaki My Love will be better because I use the same names. It will be easy for you when you're searching for them. Now the third, that top inside is not inclusive. That is just my top, and but just in case you like to, maybe for me to make for you such a top so that you can maybe match it, it's okay. You can let me know. Look at that. So I made this video after having like 15 orders, and now after 3 months I was checking my books and we've made 33 orders from this. Like, can you imagine? 33 orders. So guys, thank you so much. Thank you so much. I can never thank you. I don't know how to thank you, but I really appreciate. I never imagined this, but we are doing it. Another thing, guys, if you have a dream, please go for it. It may take you a lot of time. It may take you 3 years, 2 years. It can even take you 3 months. But guys, God came out for me, and I really appreciate him for that. My January, like the beginning of the year, was really bad, but I'm glad I'm ending the year with happiness. So guys, yes, that's it. Go for your dreams, and thank you for everyone, thanks for supporting. If you ever shared my videos, if you ever ordered from me, if you like, I don't know, if you recommend my videos to anyone, I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Very nice. You can see this. You can see how rich the material is. You can see the finishing. I don't know if the camera is not being affected by too much light, but I really love it. I love this. I love every detail, I think. And this is one, I think this is one of my, I think this is one of the best garments in this collection that I've showed you today. And yeah, you can get yourself one in different materials, in different sizes, and yeah, you can rock this. Like, guys, can't you admire me? So yeah, I think I'm going to stop here. I have another video that I have to film. It's about my denim collection, like my current denim collection, but I think I'm not going to film it today. I think that will be for tomorrow morning, fasting tomorrow morning, because I have other things to do, like really a lot, and I'm tired of looking to the camera. I'm tired of the lights and all that. But yeah, this is the outfit, and you can actually, I didn't tell you guys, I'm wearing this with my indoor sandals, but you can wear it with sandals, with sneakers, with anything that you want to pair it with, and I think you can really look perfect in them. Okay, I don't know, guys, Does anyone feel this, like content creators, after creating content and you have to put everything back to its normal or primary position? Like I'm just from creating content, like filming YouTube videos, but let me show you my bedroom. I know you've never seen it like this, but sometimes this is the reality behind it. Now look at that. Look at that maze. Like, look at that maze. Just maze. Look at that. And I have to put everything back to its primary position, and I'm tired. I think singa YouTube ejima isinget wasente nyingi. But anyway, so today is Thursday and tomorrow is Saturday. Tomorrow my friends are coming from Kenya and I have to welcome them, and then I have to go with them to their crib because they don't know the country. I have to help them explore Uganda. We're not going to do so much, but yeah, I have to give a hand. And I'm also planning to create content tomorrow very early in the morning, and I would like to go for my pedi, but I don't know whether I will manage. If I don't, of course that will be for next week. I know this outfit is good, but hey, I have some plans for it, and wait for that. So I'm going to put everything together. So after I go and cook, I'm going to cook just sauce because I cooked rice during day and it is actually 7 p.m. I also have to do a skincare routine because yeah, it's needed. But I look so cute. Do you know that? Yeah, so see you guys.